Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss day and swing trading strategies for trading Euro, Australian dollar, and FS. Day and swing trading strategies for trading Euro, Australian dollar, and FS. We are a monthly chart of the Euro, Australian dollar. And as always, the first thing that we want to check is what? The price structure. So the price structure will determine the appropriate trading strategy that we must deploy. All right? So the current price structure is a consolidation. Pay attention to the orange horizontal channel on my chart. The price is oscillating between the level of 15832. All right? And a level of 14066. The median line for that consolidation is somewhere in the zone of 14826. I just put it there. That's not the exact median line, but it is the median line. The median line is in the zone of 14826. That's the pink line on my chart. So the strategy that we must use, so now we know the price structure, now we know the strategy that we must deploy. Oscillators, RSI, CCI, break below, retest, a support level. Professional are selling at the top of the consolidation. You see all the shadow for these candlestick bar here, they are selling here. Orders are placed here to sell, and orders are placed in a zone of 14066 to buy. So when we are trading the consolidation, if the price is going from the top down, all right, we want to give priority to bearish signal, break below, retest, turn around, or bearish chart pattern, bearish signal. So now it's going from the top, it went down 1, 2, and that's the third move down. Can you see it? First move down from the top, a bit of rally up to the top again, and now it's trying to go down again. Will it reach the level? Will it reach the level of 14066? Well, we must use a top-down trading method to control the risk without assuming anything. So some traders will try to buy. They will be very, very patient. They want it to break below the median line at 14826 and to retest it, and then they want to sell it down. All right. You will also notice on my charts another line which I'm going to color now in turquoise. This is to get your attention. Pay attention to the turquoise line. That's it. The level of 14353. Which level is that? It's a very important key level. 14353. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the price action from here, where my cursor is, down to this level here. So since 2010, end of 2009, the Euro Australian dollar was going down, okay? But the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a very important key level. It's in fact a psychological price level that is dividing the price action into two zones. The bullish zone above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the bearish zone below. So therefore, we will give priority to bullish signal above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 14353, but we will not ignore the price structure. So in this scenario, one can position oneself near the lower part of the consolidation, somewhere near the 50%. You see the 50% is also near the lower part of the orange channel, looking for bullish chart pattern, looking for bullish trading setup, and then take it up. But as I told you, if the price is going down from the top to the lower part, priority to bearish signal. And if it's going from the lower part to the upper side, so if it start going from the lower part to the upper side, we give priority to bullish signal, break above, retest, implement a top-down trading method to trade it. So right now, the price is heading towards the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 14353. Probably it will reach the level of 14066, which is the lower part of the consolidation. By checking first the price structure, now we know the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. We are now below the median line, so pay attention to the peak line. And I'm going to the daily chart. So what's happening there? Okay. Here we are on the daily chart. Price D below the median line of the orange channel. And you're testing it here. Can you see? Today, on the daily chart, you see here, touch it, and people are now selling it down. Okay. To the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Will he reach that 50% level, or will he find a support at 14526, where the price did change direction here? All right. So sometimes traders are trading. If you have a losing trade, sometimes you don't get upset. Why you don't get upset? Because you know that you have done the right thing, but for one reason or another, the market was not friendly. Well, and you end up being a losing trade. So if you are a professional trader and your supervisor look at the trade and say, why did you sell this stock? And then you go around and explain to your supervisor and say, why? Here it is, that's why I sold this. They may forgive you. They may let you off and say, all right, you did the right thing. Well, that's fine. But if you do ignore the price structure and you just sell, and they find out that in fact you were trading against the price structure, your reputation may be online, okay? All right? This is what we are talking about. So for traders that are following now, you know that I'm stressing on the point of checking the price structure. I'm stressing on the point of, using a top-down trading method. And I'm stressing on the point of checking, the economy news and when one is trading forex. I've also highlighted to traders that from the 1st to the 8th of each month, it's quite challenging to day trade and swing trade the forex market, and also from the 15th to the 20th. So suppose I am your supervisor, which I am not, all right? It's your own money. And I highlight those things to you, all right? And I find out that, okay, you are not paying attention to them, all right? That won't be good, all right? So don't let yourself down. The point I want to make to you, be gentle, all right? Be very patient. I think that's the reason why women are better traders than men, because women are more relaxed than men. Okay, I think we men, we are more courageous, but in trading, to be courageous is not good. You don't need to be courageous. Just say, I must sell, okay? I will sell it now. Don't be courageous. Be smart, okay? Be gentle, be calm, and be patient. Be agile like a tiger, like a lion, all right? Wait for it to set nicely for you, and then, before you hit it, all right? And you will be a happy trader. Because at the end of the day, when you look at the trade or you review the trade, do you review your trade? You must review your trade, all right? You will see, okay, have I traded like a mad trader today? Will you be happy with yourself? At the end of the day, will you be happy with yourself? If you are happy with yourself at the end of the day, it means that, okay, you were patient, you were gentle, okay, you were careful, you were cautious, and you are not rushing to the market anyhow. So there is a small triangle that I am highlighting for you here, all right? Will it come out? If it come out, we project this one down here, bringing us to the, this point here. Will it do that? Okay. Or will it find a support here? Use a top-down trading method from the daily chart. So let's go to the hourly time frame. What is happening here? Again, anytime we change time frame, we want to pay attention to the market pattern. So you see here this triangle that I will show you. There's this trend line here. You see this beautiful trend line on the hourly chart. The price is finding a support here. So you see finding a support along this trend line. Here it form a double bottom pattern. Here it find a support. Here it find a support. Now it's coming again one more time near that trend line. Okay, the stochastic is already oversold. Well, professional, we want it to retest that trend line. Boom, and then from there they'll try to buy it again up. Okay, if we go back to the daily chart, I want to show you something very important. If you are trading FS or the Euro Australian dollar, I've drawn on my chart two trend lines that are so important. First, the red trend line is here, connecting this point here, and this point here. So which day is this one? Tuesday, the 24th of May 2016. That's the high, and then we connect it to this one here, the high of this candlestick bar, this one here, the 6th of June 2016. Okay, connecting those 2 points, and this point we have the red trend line on our chart, which is a bearish trend line. Then we see here we connect, no, not exactly, but roughly, the 16th of June, all right, and the 20th of June. Now we have another trend line, which is the green one here. You can see the green trend line. So you see that the bearish momentum was quite strong. So from the red trend line, we went below a steeper bearish trend line, which is the green one. Now the price break above the green one, the green trend line, and then retest it here. Now it's staggered to go above, okay, the red line. That's where we are now. We are now on the edge of the red trend line, and also this blue trend line that I've shown you on the hourly time frame. Will it find a support and continue to go up? All right. It makes sense? So we are below the median line, the price retesting the median line, but there is this bullish trend line that we are where the price finding the support on the hourly time frame. So in this scenario, all I would say to traders, priority to bullish signal above the 14826, which is the median line of our orange channel on the monthly chart, and priority to bearish signal below. If you want to sell, the resistance level or price break below a support level, retest it and start changing direction using a top-down trading method, bringing it down. As the price going down, we are paying attention to the key support level. It makes sense? It is also powerful. So the key levels that the professional are watching, if I go back again to the monthly chart of the Euro Australian dollar, the high of the consolidation at 15832, the low of the consolidation at 14066, and the median line of the consolidation at 14826. There is also the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, very important level of the price move from here to here. That 50% Fibonacci retracement level is 14353. You can see that the price forming a bullish chart pattern. See double bottom. In fact, we have a lot of support near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So it looks to me right now that the bullish traders are managing to hold the price above the 50% level. All right. But if you break it below that orange trend line, boom, down, and then you retest it and find a resistance, we will take it down all the way to this low here in a zone of 11613. All right, but that remains to be seen. So far is holding it here. The current market pattern is consolidation in the orange channel. All right, do not forget the trend lines on the daily chart, which I've already shown you, the red trend line and the green one. And remember those key levels. All right. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about day and swing trading strategies for trading Euro, Australian dollar, and FX. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.